Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Select settings. Then go to device preferences. So here we can see device preferences. Select it. Under device preferences, go down and set reset. In some TV we have to go to about. There we can find reset. So in this model we have to under device preferences we can find reset. Set reset, then again set reset. Here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data from TV including photos, videos, apps and accounts. Select erase everything. I recommend to take backup before doing this operation. You can connect a pen drive or hard disk to TV, then copy data. Then you can trigger this hard reset. See, hard reset has completed. Select language here, then select no. Now I am doing the setup. From this list we need to select the Wi-Fi. If you are using mobile hotspot, you can select mobile hotspot, then enter Wi-Fi password and connect. See, now it's connecting to Wi-Fi network. Okay, connected. Please wait. In this screen we need to select sign in, then sign in with the Gmail ID and password. Enter Gmail ID, then select next. Enter password, select next. In this screen we need to select accept. Select accept. In this screen we can select no. Then here also select no. Select continue. Here also select continue. Here select no thanks. Here you can see list of apps. I don't want to install any of these apps, and select all these apps, then select continue. Okay, now setup has been completed. So this way we can hard reset, then we can do a setup from the beginning. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.